Hello, friends, and welcome back to A Cozy Lifestyle with Clearissa. Today's video is going to be a high-end farmhouse DIY. I recently found three miniature rolling pins online, and for the three, they wanted $16.99. And although I liked them and wanted them for my two-tier trays, I just decided that was just too much to pay. And I have the inspiration pieces coming up shortly to show you just how cute they really are. They are adorable. They had sets like this, and then they had sets that look like the bees, which are the ones that I was inspired to replace. But $16.99 was a bit steep for me. So I found the miniature rolling pins here, and these are the ones that I ordered from Amazon. And for the six, it was only $6.99. So I thought I could do this. So as you can see, I've already started painting them gold, the centers. And the large one, let me mention that, I found that at a thrift store. I think I may have paid $1 for the big one. So since I had it, I thought that I would do two of the smaller ones and the large one for my spring kitchen. And you will see it displayed, or see them displayed, later on when I do my spring kitchen tour. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to paint, and then I'm going to make them what I think will be very, very close to the inspirational pieces. So come on in, relax, get yourself a cup of something, and let's get crafting. As you can see, guys, I used a smaller brush to paint the ends because I didn't want to get the black on the end of the gold part. Luckily for me, though, the ends moved up and down, so I could kind of, I don't know if you can see that, push the end that I was painting a little further away from the center part, which is what I ended up doing. So I'm going to paint this, and of course then I have to let them dry. As you can see, I only have one end left to do, and that's the end on the big one. I was kind of using it to prop the smaller ones, and so it will be my last end that I will complete. But this was really a fun project, and as you will see at the end, I'm very pleased with the way that it turned out. So here, friends, you can see me adding the bee. And I used my Cricut to cut some vinyl to place on these. And that's what I'm doing here. And if you're interested in receiving these vinyls, I can add those to my Etsy shop. There's always a link in my Etsy shop, to my Etsy shop below. So they will be there by the end of the week. As well, I think I'm going to add the small roller pins as well. You can certainly do this yourself, but if you're not into it and you'd like to have them in different colors, it doesn't have to be this particular design. I'm going to do a couple of others as well and just add those to my Etsy shop. I'd be glad to send them to you. So check out my Etsy shop by the end of the week, the first of next week, and all of that should be there. But as you can see, I'm just adding the vinyl on from my Cricut, and it's all coming out really, really nicely. So friends, if you're new here, I'd like to say welcome. Welcome to our little world here. It's a lifestyle channel. We do DIYs, we do upcycles, shopping hauls, organization, seasonal decor, and regular home decor, and we do it all on a budget. And we have a lot of fun over here as well. So if you're inclined to do so and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button below, and once you do, hit that bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. We'd love to have you become a part of our little family here. And if you're new to my team, our family, this YouTube channel, do know that I see you, and I'm so glad that you've decided to join us as well. And for my ride or dies, I'm just going to go ahead and let you know that I love you, and I love you, and I'm so glad that you're on this journey with me. So friends, I hope that you will hit that subscribe button, and let's just do this together. It's a whole lot of fun.
I've been thinking about your smile. I've been thinking that I can't let you go. Hey, can you wait a little while? Why we're holding back, I don't know.
So friends, excuse me, here's the end result for the large one. I think it turned out just gorgeous. I love it. I'm just going to add a bow, and then this one will be done. I do think that I am going to seal it though, since it's going to be in the kitchen. If it was just going to be sitting on a shelf somewhere and never touched, that would be one thing. But since it'll be in the kitchen, I'll want to have the option to wipe it down if I need to. So I am going to seal it. But I think it is just adorable. And it didn't cost me $16.99. So I'm very pleased with that. So friends, there you have it. Isn't that just cute? I think it's so cute. And I love the fonts as well. And it just goes to show that you can see something you like, but you don't have to pay that price. You can always try and DIY it, do it yourself. And so this just goes to prove that. We did this on a budget. The rolling pin itself, I think, cost me like $1 at a thrift store. I had the paint, I had the vinyl, and it just took some time. And there you have it. Coming up next, I'll be completing the small ones. So friends, if you get the vinyl, it'll come to you just like this. It'll be attached to the clear vinyl remover there on top, and all you have to do is place it wherever you want it and rub it down the same way that I do. I'm thinking that I may put together a giveaway of different vinyl stickers for spring and summer. And maybe I'll do that. It's on my mind anyway. But anyway, it's very easy to install once you receive it.
For a lifetime underneath the moonlight, 'cause I don't want us to go. No, I don't want us to go. Yeah, you could be my lifeline, you could be my sunshine in a world so full of pain. Can you make it go away? Used to be so sad that love was lost, but now it's here to stay. Yeah, I used to be uncomfortable, but look at me today. Never thought I'd find someone like you, someone to show the way. But now I know you're the answer to my prayer. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I'm sorry for the burden, sorry I was hurting, but my scars are almost healed. Yeah, my scars are almost healed. Yeah, I'm feeling like a child now. Everything's alright now, and it's all because of you. You made the flower in me bloom. Used to be afraid of everything, but now there's no more fear. Yeah, I used to let nobody in and hide my face with tears. Always thought of you as someone who can love someone like me, but I was wrong. Baby, now I believe. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. You and me must be right. Something's in the air, I can feel it now. You and me must do something right. We can't get enough of us. You and me every night, aiming for the stars with the love so bright. You and me must do something right. Baby, I believe in us. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah. I believe in you and me, you and me, you and me, you and me, yeah.
Friends, I am so pleased with the way these turned out. I love them. I hope you do as well. And look how much money we saved. Remember, the inspirational pieces, you got 3 of the small ones for $16.99. And I'm okay with that. You know, I'm not against anyone's hustle. Absolutely not. But if we can do it for a little less, why not? And we have. And like I said, I love it, and I hope you do as well. So, friends, we are winding down. Don't go away yet, though, because I'm going to show you what they look like together. Now, I haven't placed them in my home yet, let me say that, but you will be seeing them when we do our spring rooms in our spring tour. So just keep your eye out for these little beauties right here. And so again, I want to remind you that if you're not already subscribed to our little channel, why don't you hit that subscribe button below? Once you do, hit that bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming content. There are more DIYs planned, as well as some clean with me's that are coming up for spring, and lots of organization. So don't go away, and make sure that you are notified whenever we put something up. Again, I want to say to my ride or dies, I love you, I love you, I love you. And to the newbies, I want to say welcome. I see you, and we're so glad you're here. So guys, DIYing is not something that you cannot do. It may look a bit intimidating, but it's not. The longest part of this little DIY here was waiting for the paint to dry. Seriously, that's what took longer than anything else, waiting for the paint to dry. And while that was drying, I was working on another project, which will be coming up soon. They kind of overlap, so you may, when I show you the other, you may see some glances or glimpses of this one as well, because while one was drying, I was working on another. And I don't have two tables in my office, so they're both on the table, and it's kind of hard to move things that are, wet when the paint is wet. So just real life there, letting you know that another one is coming up as well. So guys, we're going to watch this till the end. Again, I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope it has inspired you to do something that you think you can't do. Just put your little toe in the DIY pool and see what you can do. And whatever you do, share it with me. I'd love to see it. You can always post your DIYs in my Facebook private group, A Cozy Lifestyle, on Facebook. I'd love to see what you're working on. Also, don't forget to follow me on other social media outlets such as Instagram. I'm also on Twitter, and I'm on Facebook. But and I'd love to see you in all those places. And on Instagram, you get a lot of little peeks of what's going on over here. So don't forget to check those out as well. Also, don't forget to check out my blog. It's mainly organization, but sometimes I add a DIY or something in there as well. So I am very, very pleased that this worked out so well. I'm so glad that you stayed with me throughout. I want to encourage you today to find something that brings joy into your life. We all need a little joy. And with that said, I'm going to see you in the next video. I'm leaving you with lots of love, hugs, and blessings. Be safe and be well. Bye-bye.